aren't able to buy a house because this guy is a numbskull. He keeps the rates too high.
Well, just look at who we chose. Not a single word of truth came out of his mouth. He doesn't care about the people at all. Maybe there's some good news somewhere.
And he's
Oh, of course. The only good news is for arms manufacturers and explosion enthusiasts. I just hope nothing happens. Informational notice, airstrike activity detected at bombing. Damn it! How could they let this happen? Trump is already friends with all the dictators. We need to find out who attacked us. Breaking: China strikes US cities, San Diego, Seattle, Anchorage. Oh shit. What happened though? I did study Chinese and I had a number of someone close to him. I'll try to find out. Airstrike warning, regional notice. Damn it! I almost had it! Well, that's great. If even Trump couldn't make a deal with that lunatic, I definitely don't stand a chance. Guess I'll try to get something from China. Okay, I solved one problem, but there's no way I can talk to this crazy little dwarf. What should I do? Maybe it'll sort itself out somehow? Airstrike warning, potential threat approaching, confirmed it. Oh, damn it. Wait, do I hear something? Damn! I have an idea! These missiles are probably self-guided and packed with tack. That means I know what to do. I need to find a way to protect myself and my loved ones. I can't keep doing this forever. Hit back imminent, seek immediate cover, massive missiles. There has to be some kind of option. There must be something I can do. There has to be a way out. There's always a way. I don't want to die. And I won't! I'll pack all my stuff and hide in the basement. There's a silver lining to everything. I'll finally get to play Fallout. My PC couldn't run it before.